Today I am going to tell you how to express in centimeter, meter and centimeter, meter, kilometer and meter. You will come to know in this video. So till last class you have learned how to convert into meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, and how to convert kilometer to meter, meter to kilometer. So all these things will be applicable in this question in exercise number 7. And first question they have given express in centimeter, and they have given first question as meter, and you need to convert that one in centimeter. So the first thing we know that what is the relation between meter and centimeter. So exercise 7 I am writing. Exercise 7, as you can see, exercise number 7. So the first question, the 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So when you convert meter to centimeter, we always multiply by 100, right? And when we convert centimeter to meter, we need to divide by 100. So this is the formula for meter and centimeter. This is the relation, right? Now the first question they have given that meter is given 5 meter and you need to convert that in centimeter. That means meter to centimeter, that means you need to multiply by 100. The first question of exercise number 1, exercise 7 1a number is 5 meter. So how to convert 5 meter? You need to multiply 5 into 100. So 5 into 100 is 500 centimeter. So like that, one more question I will do. Number C, they have given 5 meter 1 centimeter. Okay, 5 meter and you need to convert this in centimeter. As this meter is not in centimeter, you need to convert this, but this 1 centimeter is already in centimeter, right? So 5 meter 1 centimeter is what? 5 into 100, or otherwise you can put 20 plus 1, it will be 501. Like that also you can do. So this one is the whole process I am showing. It is 500 plus 1 centimeter. So it is equal to 501 centimeter. So this is how to this way you need to convert meter to centimeter. Now next question they have given, you need to convert centimeter is given and you need to convert in meter and centimeter. So how will you do that? Very simple. Again number 2 I have already told you, from centimeter to meter you need to divide by 100, right? Meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter. So the first question 2 number A is given as 300 centimeter and you need to convert that in meter and centimeter, right? 300 centimeter to meter you need to divide by 100. So 300 divided by 100 is what? So it will be 20 is there. So last two numbers used to be in centimeter, whatever left out that used to be in meter. The 3 meter, that was the process. Or like that, if you divide also, you will get the quotient as 3. So that will used to be the meter. So number next is C number I am doing. The next question is C number 610 centimeter, and I have already done. You need to divide that one in 100 by 100. So when you divide it, you will get your last two digit used to be in centimeter, and one other whatever left out that used to be in meter. So 6 meter 10 centimeter. So next is number 3 number. So 3 number here you need to convert in meter. They have given kilometer and you need to convert that in meter. So what is the relation between kilometer and meter? So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, we know that. So when you need to convert kilometer to meter, you need to do what? You need to multiply by 1000. And if when you convert meter to kilometer, divide by 1000. So this is the thing. So the first question, now they have given you need to convert kilometer to meter. So you need to do what? You need to multiply with 1000. So 4 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 4 kilometer is equal to how many? 4 into 1000 meter. So 4 into 1000 meter is how much? It is 4000 meter. So like that, one more question I will do. It is given as 4 kilometer, 10 meter they have given. So 4 kilometer, 10 is, it will be what? Kilometer you need to convert in meter. This is already in meter. So you need to add that. 4 into 1000 you need to do. You convert, or you can put 30 also. Like that also you can do. 10 directly in second step also you can go. Then 4 into 1000 plus 10 is what? 4000 plus 10 meter is equal to 4010 meter. So this is the answer number C, 3C. So now the number 4 is there. You need to convert meter to kilometer and meter, right? So meter is given. So you need to divide by 1000. So A number question is given 3000 meter. 3000 meter. So 3000 meter. So how will you do? 3000 divided by 1000. So 30 is there, 30 from the back used to be in meter, and whatever left out that used to be in kilometer. So 3 kilometer is the answer. So 0 meter means 0 only, right? So no need to write that. So that is one thing. Or you, if you divide also the quotient, you will get 3 kilometer as 3 kilometer. So 7, next is 7050 meter. So this one also you need to divide by 1000. So when you divide by 1000, it will be what? 7050 divided by 1000. Three numbers from the back, it will be what? It used to be, or if you divide also, this used to 7 used to be the quotient. Quotient used to be the in kilometer, and the remainder used to be 050. 050 means 50 only, 50 meter. So 7 kilometer, 50 meter is the answer. So this way I complete exercise number 7, and it is very simple. With this I like to conclude. Thank you for watching.